It is very easy to download Hytale on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to Hytale's official website at hytale.com. This is where the official launcher is hosted. Once you're on the site, sign in or create an account. You'll need an account to access the game launcher. Next, look for the Download Hytale Launcher button and click it. The launcher file will start downloading, so save it to your PC or laptop. After the download finishes, run the launcher installer and follow the on screen steps to install the launcher. Then, open the launcher and log in with your Hytale account. Inside the launcher, you'll see the option to download and install the full game files. Click install and wait. Once it's done, you can hit play and jump into Hytale. Remember, Hytale is currently in early access, so you'll need to purchase or already own access to play. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.